Devon, we're back.
Yes, man.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, me too. Glad to see you, man. Taking
yeah.
her forward in that place again. We could cook up some local food and thing.
Yeah, what's on the menu today?
Alright, I'm going to do some boiled banana, yam, one Irish with some Escovitch fish. So we have a whole variety of fish in this thing.
Oh, yeah. What's the skinny one called? I don't even know this one.
This one we call them old wife.
Okay.
Yeah, but some people call them pot cover.
Pot cover?
Yeah. Yeah. This one is a drummer. This one here is a snook.
Oh yeah, Snook is, you said, one of the favorite ones from the restaurant, right? That was a huge favorite.
Yeah. So we have some Sprat.
Okay, we did some wicked Sprat, little Sprats you did last time too. Yeah, that was amazing.
And we have this one they call Shada, some people call it Makka Back.
Because it's got Makka on the back?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, beware, Makka Back.
Yeah, so we'll be doing all of those this evening. So right now I'm going to put on like the yam and the banana, 2 dumpling maybe.
First up, get yam going.
Yeah.
So massive respect to PETA for having us at his place again. Sort of our, I don't know, our kitchen studio, right? When me and you were here, we always end up shooting at PETA's place. So massive respect to PETA, Longboarder, famous longboarder bar. And man, we had to go for a bit of drive for these today. We're looking for yam, thinking, oh, we'll just catch it up on the corner. We drive around the next corner, no yam.
No yam.
Drive around the next corner, still no yam.
We're up like 5 miles away.
Yeah, had to go all the way to town. And we're like, you know what? Damn it. Okay, we're committed now. We have to go all the way to town and get a yam in Morant Bay. Now, luckily, there was some amazing cowskin soup, and if you haven't had it before, yes, okay, it might sound not ideal. Maybe if you're used to just the meaty, beefy parts, but it is really nice. Gives it a great flavor, and yeah, it was a really, really nice soup. So, big up. I forget. Do you know the lady that I bought it from?
Yeah, her name is Sharon.
Sharon. So big up to Sharon too, because the cowskin beef soup was really good. So this is the one they call Renta Yam too, right?
This is Renta Yam.
The light color one.
Yeah.
Is there a season for these ones? Because I swear I've seen a lot more Renta Yam
there's season
lately.
for them, but like, no. Wow. Because they start to spring back for grow, then can find them. So them have to dig them before they leave them open. But they won't dig anything smaller than these, because all small ones spring at this time.
Okay, that's what I've been seeing, because these ones grow massive.
Yeah.
And I've really just been seeing a whole heap of small ones.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah, I've seen them like a little bit bigger than that, but yeah, mostly around that size. And these ones are nice because they get soft. Right?
Yeah. You ever eat barefoot dumpling? Barefoot
I don't think so.
Huh?
What's it? Barefoot dumpling?
Yeah.
No.
When you have flour alone.
Oh no. Maybe not.
We're gonna make some barefoot dumpling. No, come here. Not a lot.
So this is for when you got really limited ingredients.
Yeah. So after you put the flour in the basin, you get some water. And you have to be careful when throwing the water, because you might throw too much and it's spoiled, and you have to add flour, so you're going to end up with more dumpling more than what you want to make.
Okay.
I have to add the water now. Alright.
So a little bit at a time, yeah?
Yeah. But you go a little bit at a time.
Because you can always add more.
Yeah.
But you can't take away.
Alright.
It's like eating mushrooms or something. So it's just getting the right stickiness feel, yeah?
Yeah. So I'm going to leave it now to stay and set, because you can't go in the pot as it when the pot start boil. So the yam and pot to cook, because it's only take like 5 minutes to good. A dumpling take like 2 minutes to boil. As soon as you see it float on the water.
Yeah?
That's it.
Quick.
Yes. If you want to try, remember, like when they need enough flour, no matter who them I cook for, try to wash them and get them clean, because the flour is a thing that stick all over. So you got to make sure your hands clean. Okay, so that's nice ball.
Nice. So a little bit of salt.
Yeah.
Essential minerals for everybody.
Yep.
You can't pretend like you don't need a little bit.
I'm going to set them and let them grow.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So you can just put those back right on the earth. It'll grow from any part. Any part of the yam?
Any part. No, not any part. The bottom won't grow.
Okay.
But I sure know the head.
The head of it will go.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Sometimes you can do like a science by when you're peeling the yam, you peel it kind of thick. Put the skin in a plastic, tie it up for a while, and just let it stay there like in a month or a month and 2 weeks. You look back on them, you see it start white, so they start germinate.
No way, right from the skin.
Right from the skin.
Yeah.
And I forgot now it's special.
Just anywhere.
Yeah.
Cool.
I forgot to about the chickens.
Oh yeah, they might try to eat it up.
Yeah. I just remember them, you know.
Hey Bella. I think everyone's gonna start to know Bella. She's in all the other videos too. Even since you're a pup. If you look at the old longboarder bar videos when it was open, you were just tiny. I think you're in the intro sequence of a few videos. Boiling up quick. Just a little more?
Yeah. Yeah, my dumpling style.
Some fine finger work.
Yeah.
Do they get much bigger or they stay same size, I guess, because there's not much?
Yeah, well, they will get just a little bit bigger after the boil.
Does the little thumbprint in the middle help with the cooking, or is that just a style thing?
Just a style thing.
Okay, just checking. So feel free to adopt Devon style or do it your own way. Maybe make a happy face one or something, I don't know.
Yeah, like an extra one. The reason really for using the finger press like this, because when we do like this, this is the way under the bottom stay.
Oh,
so we will just do like this to try to seal it. Yeah, so just I get the banana sort out because you know when the yam cook before anything from the dumpling go in, the banana can go in.
So they're even faster than the dumplings?
Yeah.
Well, I guess when they're this like thinner one, right?
Your dumpling faster than it?
Oh, okay. Boiling banana.
Yeah, nice. Tall boiling bananas. You know, people love the tall or sweet banana like this more than the other ones.
Yeah, people aren't used to the skin sounding so crunchy. Because when you have the yellow one, it just peels off so silent, you know? I really find they taste like potato to me. Kind of like an Irish potato. the green banana. If I had to describe it to people.
Yeah.
Because if you're like me and you're from a country that only gets Cavendish bananas, you don't really eat green banana. But when you're in Jamaica, Caribbean, South America, yeah, you see it a lot more done in this sort of potato-y way. Starchy, oversweet.
Enough time people would say like, oh, the green banana give iron. You don't forget a doctor, because banana give iron, doctor give iron, the pill, and the same thing. But I think the iron in the skin.
Oh really? Of the banana skin itself?
Yeah. All those stain and stuff.
Yeah. I have seen people put the green banana in with a stew kind of thing and then pull it out when it's time to eat. Get a little extra.
Like boiling soup and like you would put like a banana with the skin in it, like cut it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can eat it the same way. It gets soft enough you don't even notice.
Pour them boil. You see?
Mm.
Yeah. I'm gonna put on this, but now they're gonna fry our fishes.
Looks like you're taking a poker shot. I mean a pool shot. Snooker. Lining it up. Line up the flame.
Some people will wait till the pot hot to put the oil in.
Yeah.
But I put the oil in. That means when the pot hot, the oil at the same time.
That's good. That makes sense. Gradual.
Yeah. So these guys now, I will just cut them, put them in the pot while the fish is frying.
Mm-hmm.
You get a different aroma smell from the garlic. So we're just waiting on the pot now for hot, super hot.
Yeah, you want it extra crispy when those fish go in. So we'll get the inside too, yeah? Important?
Yeah.
So you got them both mixed up there already. Old wife.
Old wife.
Old wife.
Yeah, good old wife.
Okay.
My good old wife.
I wonder why they call it that one. I'm always curious to know where the names come from for stuff when it has a funny name like that. Like, is this fish just really reliable? Always there for you? I don't know. Old wife in the bad way? Like, this fish is really hard to deal with? I don't know.
No. I think this good old wife is a bit deal.
So it must be a positive way.
Yeah, because look, she don't even mean no harm. All these bones there. Other fish have these bones, but they're very tough. You can even put your hand on them like that.
Oh yeah, it doesn't even hurt. Okay, so nice and soft and easy. Maybe that's why.
Good old wife.
Good old wife.
That's my good old wife.
There she is.
Yep. So in the pot now we have a quarter of a snook, we have a drummer, and we have a Makka Back right over here. Alright, so you don't know. Then guys, it'll take a while.
Okay.
Especially like how them so thick. Yeah. These guys fry very quick.
Devon, I saw a picture of you on your Instagram with so many fish in a boat.
Oh, yeah.
What's the story with that picture?
Oh. I never go with the man and the man. They go down by Yala. So they fish me. I'm like an hour and a half. Me hear the boat coming back up, so I think like something wrong.
Yeah.
And them call, oh, what help to push that boat? I'm go down there. The boat's full of fish.
Full, absolutely full.
A cutlass.
Yeah.
So when we see those fish, we know weather is around the corner. We expect that the rain will fall. Yeah, but a whole lot. They go back one time, I wasn't around, and they get bare snook like this. Bare snook.
Yeah, the boat was full.
Yeah.
Full up. I'll put a link to Devon's Instagram so you can see it. Nice all-round fry. How much the fish cost?
I don't really know because I don't really buy them. I just whenever the boat come, we enjoy, and then if they catch fish, we just get some fish.
Everyone gives you, they give you little fish for helping?
Yeah.
Nice. What a good vibe.
Yeah. So the amount they catch, sometimes they draw and they never catch nothing. Like all 3-4 they then come and well them and catch nothing. Right? There you go.
Nice. That's a real community vibe.
And you live at some part of Jamaica, you can survive. Won't cost you a lot.
Yeah, no doubt.
ready for do some Escovitch now.
Escovitch.
You see, I kind of prepare this stuff already. Got some scotchy, some carrot, more chopped onions. Then I have the oil and our vinegar to get the thing rolling.
Okay. So it was a bit of a mission for the scotchy. There wasn't any by the store just up the road, but lucky Peter went down the road, was able to get some scotchy, and we couldn't find any carrots, so there's one carrot finely chopped to try to make this dish work. Hey, you made it work, Devin. It does look like an Escovitch because you need that orange in there, right?
Yeah.
It's not a real Escovitch without the carrot. Well, you know what? Scotchy's probably the main part, right?
But like, when you go to the Escovitch now, you have to look for the pepper. But through this time, you have to get the red one, the green one, the yellow one.
Okay.
Yeah, but through the time now, we never prepared for that.
Alright, so you got a couple pimento berries in there?
Yeah.
So strong on the nostrils, you can sense the pepper capsicum just flowing up into the veins of your nose in a good way. Oh yeah. So it's super quick, right, Dev?
Yeah.
Super quick, like that was 30 seconds maybe?
Okay,
Maybe a minute?
fish right in there. So many fish.
So many little wifeys.
Yeah.
Wifey.
Good old wife.
Real pimento berries. Oh man, here we are. Devin forgot his snook! Okay, so we're gonna try and point out what we got here. We got the Makka Back. We got the Snook, kind of like a steaky piece. Alewife. And what was this one?
Sprat.
Sprat. Makka Back, Sprat,
Snook.
Snook,
I'm a good old one.
and good old wife. Yes, brother.
Yes, Sprat.
Looks crazy.
Yeah.
And then we got the nice dumpling. What's the name of the dumpling again? The
The
bareback. Barefoot.
Barefoot dumpling.
Barefoot dumpling.
Yeah, barefoot dumpling without cornmeal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and you whipped up a little salad too when I wasn't paying
Yeah.
attention. And the nice green banana and yam, which we did the nice drive for. All right, Deb, give it a taste. See how it is. Wow. Salad out of nowhere.
Yeah. And a piece of the snook. The snook is the best eating fish.
Yeah, it looks like a steak the way it's cut up.
Yeah.
Peter agrees.
Yeah. Love it.
All right, so very excited. I don't know, I'm gonna try some barefoot dumpling with a bit of salad first that Devin just whipped up out of nowhere. I don't know if I've had an old wife before. Is this also called alewife? I'm wondering. I know that name of fish, but caught right in the sea. You can hear it. You can hear the ocean right beside us.
Yeah. Fresh right from the sea.
Man, that old wife has a really meaty texture. Kind of a nice oiliness to it, actually. A little more oily than I was expecting, but in a good way. We got the Escovitch. Now, we did have some Sprat before. I'll show you on the other episode. I'll link it below, but Devin's a Sprat master. So crunchy, so spicy, with a bit of scotch bonnet on it. I just got a real bite of scotchy too. Super good.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh my god. Perfectly fried, so it's crunchy and a really nice meaty texture. Now Makka Back is a new one for me entirely. But let's get a nice piece of Makka Back here. Yeah, Escovitch is a real magical way to have fish, which is such an upgrade on everything. Sometimes it's nice to have it straight with just some salt, even sometimes just out of the ocean, cooked on the barbecue, but a little bit of scotchy with the vinegar and the carrot and the onion to give it a little bit of a crispness, a little bit more powerful flavor. And Devon, I can taste the garlic and the oil kind of coating everything very subtly. It's not an overpowering. It's just sort of on the edge of the flavor that you can taste. And last but not least, Peter's not on camera, but he said his favorite is the Snook. Devon, you too?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's a big bite of steak-like Snook. Oh. Wow. Look at that. So meaty. Very light flesh. Steak-like. It's like a chicken nugget, but fish. So good. Fish nugget? Fuck it. And before I forget, you got some yam and green banana. And the yam was a real effort today, I'm telling you. So soft, rent a yam, mountain yam. The young ones taste almost lighter than the older ones. So, incredible food by Chef Devon, also known as Rasta Devon on Instagram. Please give him a follow for cool content, real Jamaica vibes. And I'm always trying to encourage Devon to post more. I'm like, hey man, keep putting it out, keep putting it out.
Yeah man, you can follow me on Instagram man, Rasta Devon. I have some nice unique, real, some posts. You will like them. Food. Give thanks to the photographer, Matthew. Yeah, so always when Matthew come, we always come together, cook some nice food, relax and enjoy everything. Wish one day some of you guys might meet me live like Matthew will prepare some food and just relax like that.
Yes. Yeah, we'll link everything. We'll Devon's contact all below so you can hit him up if you want some fresh juice if you're in the area too.
Yeah.
Some of the best juice in all of Jamaica. So.
Yeah.
Respect, Devon.
Yeah. I tell you.